How to track and send abandoned cart data from WooCommerce store to Google Sheets. Let's jump in. Before we dive into the integration, let's make sure your store is set up to track cart abandonment. Head over to FunnelKit Automations, click on Settings, and then go to the Cart tab. Check the box that says Enable Cart Tracking. You can also adjust the wait time, cool-off period, and lost cart period as needed. Don't forget to save your settings to start tracking cart abandonment. Next up, you'll need to connect FunnelKit Automations with Google Sheets. From your WordPress dashboard, go to FunnelKit Automations, then click on Connectors and hit Connect. Sign in to the Google account you want to link up. Once done, let's create a new automation. Add the Cart Abandoned event trigger from the FunnelKit options. This will capture the details of users who abandon their carts at the checkout page. Be sure to select the Run on Contact multiple times option, so the automation triggers for every abandoned order, not just the first one. Next, it's time to add an action that will send the abandoned cart data to Google Sheets. Navigate to the Send Data section and choose Insert Row under Google Sheets. Click on Done to add the action. Now, set up your Google Sheets. Open a new spreadsheet in a separate tab and copy the sheet ID. The ID is the part of the URL between D and Edit, not the whole URL. After copying the ID, paste it into the Enter Google Spreadsheet ID field on your automation setup page and click on Get Sheet to synchronize with your spreadsheet. If your spreadsheet contains multiple worksheets, make sure to select the one where you want the data to appear. Next, specify which Google Sheet column will store which data. In the Data section, click on Add New. Use merge tags to pull in the data you need, such as the abandonment date, shopper's name, email, phone number, products in the cart, order total, and recovery URL. Copy these merge tags and paste them into the respective data columns in your automation setup. Once configured, hit Save to finalize your automation. Don't forget to activate the automation. To ensure everything is working smoothly, try to place a test order and then abandon a cart. After the wait period is over, the order will be marked by FunnelKit Automations as abandoned. Once the wait period is over, check the connected sheet. You should see the details for the abandoned cart neatly populated in the sheet. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a WooCommerce to Google Sheets integration to track and send abandoned cart data in real time. Ready to add this Google Sheets integration and need help? Shoot us an email at support@funnelkit.com. Happy selling!